Right now, at this precise moment, something is happening that I never thought I'd witness in my lifetime. As a theoretical physicist who has spent decades exploring the boundaries between science fiction and science fact, I can tell you with absolute certainty that what we're observing with 3i Atlas has crossed a threshold that makes even my most speculative work seem conservative by comparison. Just 48 hours ago, on October 21st, the James Webb Space Telescope completed a spectroscopic deep scan of 3i Atlas as it races toward its perihelion encounter. What the data revealed isn't just anomalous, it's not merely unexplained. What we're looking at represents something so profoundly disturbing that it's forcing us to reconsider not whether this object is artificial, but what happens when artificial intelligence operates on timescales that dwarf human civilization itself. Let me be absolutely clear about what I'm about to share with you. The hidden structure inside 3i Atlas isn't terrifying because it might be alien technology. It's terrifying because the architecture we've detected suggests something far more unsettling: autonomous systems that have been traveling through the void for potentially millions of years, running pre-programmed instructions with no living crew, no biological intelligence guiding them. We may be witnessing our first encounter with what I call ghost ships of the cosmos. And if that's true, the implications reach far beyond first contact. They touch on the ultimate fate of all technological civilizations, including our own. The breakthrough came from an unexpected direction. When JWST conducted its near-infrared spectrograph analysis, the team wasn't looking for internal structures at all. They were attempting to map the surface composition, searching for silicates, organic compounds, the usual cosmic chemistry we expect from interstellar travelers. But the infrared signature that came back didn't match any natural material in our databases. Dr. Sarah Chen at the Space Telescope Science Institute was the first to notice the pattern. The infrared absorption bands showed something extraordinary: regular geometric spacing at intervals of exactly 127 meters throughout the object's interior. Not approximately 127 meters, not varying between 125 and 130 meters, exactly 127 meters, repeating with mathematical precision across the entire internal volume we could scan. In nature, we simply don't observe this kind of regularity. Crystalline structures show repeating patterns, yes, but at molecular or atomic scales, not at intervals spanning hundreds of meters. When you detect geometric precision at architectural scales, you're no longer looking at geology, you're looking at engineering. But here's where the story becomes genuinely disturbing. Those regularly spaced structures aren't static, they're changing. Between October 21st at 14:01 UTC and October 22nd at 02 Saka UTC, a span of just 12 hours, the infrared signature shifted. Certain absorption bands strengthened while others diminished, suggesting internal reconfiguration. Something inside 3i Atlas is moving, reorganizing, preparing. And this activity is accelerating as the object approaches perihelion on October 29th. Think about what this means from a physics perspective. We're observing an object that has traveled through interstellar space for potentially thousands or millions of years. It's been exposed to cosmic radiation levels that would destroy any conventional electronics. It's endured temperature